To fix Play Store not working in Pixel 8a, start in the settings, then select Apps, see all apps, and we're going to locate the Google Play Store number 1, tap on Google Play Store, then force stop the Google Play, then select Storage and Cache, and we're going to clear the storage for Google Play. Now head out of the Google Play Store app info, and what should be near it is Google Play Services. So tap into this one, force stop the Google Play Services, then go into Storage and Cache, clear storage, and then tap Clear All Data, delete. And then the final thing we're going to do is we're going to tap the triple dots, and tap Show System. Then tap the search bar, and so try that again, and now search for downloads. So download, and we will see Download Manager. Tap on Download Manager, force stop the Download Manager, then tap into Storage and Cache, and then clear the storage for the Download Manager. Now try again.